What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are you just starting your trading journey and feeling totally overwhelmed? You see all these charts, all these numbers, and you're stuck thinking, where do I even begin? And how do I not lose all my money on day one? You've probably heard of two huge names, Olymp Trade and Pocket Option. They both promise to make trading simple and accessible. Olymp Trade has over 89 million user accounts in over 130 countries, while Pocket Option boasts over 100,000 active users and a massive global reach. But which one is actually the right choice for a complete beginner like you? Today, we're cutting through the noise to give you a clear research-backed answer. When I first started, the idea of putting real money on the line was terrifying. So I did what most beginners should do. I opened a demo account. I spent weeks just playing with virtual money, learning how the platform worked and testing simple strategies without any real risk. It's like learning to drive in an empty parking lot before hitting the highway. Both of these platforms offer that, and it's a step you should never skip. By the end of this 7-minute video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your style. We're going to break down. 1. We'll look at the real minimum deposits and how easy it is to open an account. 2. What do the platforms actually feel like? And what tools do they give you? 3. We'll uncover the one unique thing each platform offers that could be a game changer for you. 4. And finally, a clear, simple takeaway to help you choose with confidence. Alright, let's get started. First up, getting started and your money. This is where we see the first major difference. Olymp Trade has a super accessible minimum deposit of just $10. With that, you can start making trades for as little as $1, but Pocket Option takes it even further. You can get started on their platform with a minimum deposit of just $5. This is one of the lowest entry points in the entire industry, making it incredibly tempting if you want to start with the absolute minimum risk. Both platforms also give you a free demo account with virtual cash to practice with, which is a huge plus. Next, let's talk about the platform and trading experience. Olymp Trade feels a bit more like a learning hub. Its platform is clean, professional, and packed with educational resources. They offer free webinars, strategy guides, and market analysis right inside the app. It's designed for traders who want to learn the why behind their trades. You can trade over 200 different assets, from currencies to stocks. Pocket Option, on the other hand, is all about simplicity and speed. The interface is incredibly straightforward. It's perfect for quick, fast-paced trading, with some trades lasting as little as 5 seconds. It's less about deep analysis and more about easy-to-understand high-low trades. Okay, now for the most important part, the killer feature. What truly sets them apart? This is where your decision gets a lot easier. Pocket Option's killer feature is social trading. Imagine being able to see what the top traders on the platform are doing in real time, and then automatically copying their trades with a single click. That's social trading. For a beginner who has no idea what they're doing, this can feel like a massive shortcut to getting started. Olymp Trade's killer feature is its structured educational ecosystem. It's not just a platform for trading, it's a platform for learning to become a trader. Their built-in analytics, personal trading tips, and extensive library of strategies are designed to help you grow your skills over time. So, do you want to learn by doing it yourself, or do you want to learn by copying others first? That's the key question. Before we do a sample trade, we have to talk about safety and regulation. This is critical. Olymp Trade is regulated by the VFSC and is a member of the FINACOM, which offers some investor protection. Now, this is considered offshore regulation, not top tier, but it provides a clear framework. Pocket Options regulation is a bit of a gray area. Many expert sources say it lacks oversight from any major financial authority, which means there's a higher potential risk if you run into issues. This is a trade-off for its super low entry point and social trading features. Now let's walk through a hypothetical beginner trade. Okay, let's imagine we're on Olymp Trade. We're looking at the EUR-USD currency pair and we see a clear, simple uptrend. The price has been moving up, pulling back, and moving up again. We're going to use a basic trend following strategy. We see the price has just pulled back to a previous support level, an area where it has bounced up from before. Believing the trend will continue, we decide to place a Yade Aus higher trade, predicting the price will be above our entry point when the trade expires. will set a 1-minute expiration, and boom, after 1 minute, the price is higher. If the payout was, say, 85%, our $1 investment would return $1.85, our original dollar back plus 85 cents in profit. Of course, if the price had gone down, we would have lost that $1. Remember, this is just a simplified example to show you the mechanics. So which one should you choose? Let's recap. Go with pocket option. If you want the absolute lowest starting deposit, you love the idea of social trading to copy experts, and you're comfortable with the higher risk that comes with its regulatory status, go with Olymp Trade. If you prefer a more structured learning environment, you want access to a huge library of educational tools, and you value the peace of mind that comes with its clearer, albeit offshore regulation. The best choice truly depends on your personality. Are you a learn by copying person or a learn by studying person? Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try them both out with a free demo account. I've left links for both platforms down in the description below for you to check out. If this video helped you out, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more straightforward trading guides, and let me know in the comments which one you're leaning towards. Financial trading involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. You could lose some or all of your invested capital. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Thanks for watching, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.